Good morning, everyone. It's a nice winter morning in Shillong. So basically, I just came back from a trip to Tawang with a friend of mine, and he was on a rented XPulse, the regular one, not the Pro that I have here. And at the end of the trip, I had some observations. Basically 3 observations that I would like to share with you guys. These are my personal observations that I noticed throughout the trip. So the first observation is that there was a difference in the fuel consumption between his bike and my bike. I mean, of course, multiple factors come in, but there was a very consistent difference in the way and the fuel used. For example, every time we fueled up, I was constantly fueling up for about $200 extra. For example, the first time we stopped, I think I fueled for he fueled for 700, I fueled for 900. The second time it was he fueled for 300, I fueled for 500. So yeah, that difference was always there. So I'm not sure if it is because of the fact that I have a FuelX light installed on my vehicle, or the sprocketing might be a little different. I'm not sure. I have to check that and I'll confirm that soon. I haven't checked that in person, so I'll do that. So yeah, that was one difference. So at the end of the trip, I think I spent about we did a total of 4 fuel ups at 200 rupees difference. That was about 800 rupees. That was the difference in fuel that was between the regular XPulse and this Rally Edition. So yeah, that's the first point. The second point being the fact that this is a tall bike. I noticed quite a few times that it took me a little while to actually get on and off the bike. So getting off the bike, I would take a few seconds longer. Like this guy, he's already out and about and walking around the place and exploring while I'm still sitting on the bike and just soaking in the environment, so to say. You could probably see that while I'm at Sala Top, and yeah, he's all around and I'm still on the bike. So yeah, I guess, I know you just have to put in thought before you get on and off the bike because of its height. So I would say that would be the second observation. And the final observation being that was a friend. The final observation being the fact that because it's a slightly taller bike and it's different than the regular XPulse, people do notice you and they tend to come and talk to you. Like it's not many people actually came and spoke to my friend, but everybody came and spoke to me wherever I stopped. So I'm not sure if it is because of the fact that the bike is slightly different, slightly taller. Yes, people do observe the height of the bike and they're like, yeah, it's a tall bike, how do you ride this? But also the fact that I was properly geared up completely from top to bottom, riding boots, riding jacket, everything. So maybe that is another factor. But yeah, people do notice you when you're on this versus the regular XPulse. I probably should have ridden the regular XPulse to just see and notice if people noticed you while you're on that bike. So yeah, quick 3 observations that I had while we were on our trip to Tawang. Uh, let me know if there's something else that you guys have observed. I know a lot of people who are watching my channel or viewing my channel are probably either considering or have bought the XPulse Rally Edition. So let me know if you have observed something different that I've missed. And yeah, that's it. This is probably the last vlog for this year. Do consider subscribing if you haven't already, and please give a thumbs up to the video if you like the content. Have a great year ahead. Bye bye.